Woohoo! So, number 2 baby in the family. It's our new reMarkable. Yes, we love them so much. We've got a second one. So this is a very quick unboxing just to show you what the box looks like, really. And, oh dear, it's not straight. Uh-oh. All right, so this is how the reMarkable 2 comes. It's got plastic. You can see all there, 4.7 millimeters. This is the back part. .7 millimeters, 0.13, does that say 30? No, 0.19 of an inch. .19 of an inch. Cool. All right. Let us get into it. Yes. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Yes, let's just celebrate for a second. Then tear here. Yep. And then we have the amazing, woo, yes, 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 da-dum, da-dum. Okay, this is pretty exciting. Here we go. Here we go. I'm doing it sideways so that I get the perspective view. Now let's just look. What else? No, there's nothing else. All right, here we go. Here we go, little beauty. Oh, are you ready? Oh, there she is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look. I know you can't see both sides, so I will show you. Welcome. Sorry. There's those, which we'll have a look at. And then the beauty herself. I'll just get this out. Tear here. Yes, that is the Trickle charge cord with exactly the right amount of charge for your reMarkable. See how it's got reMarkable on it? What beautiful quality. That is beautiful quality. Feels delicious. Delicioso. All right. Now, let's put that to the side. Here she is. Here's the baby. Here she is. All right. Now, I don't think there's nothing else in there, so we're going to move that. Now. So this is what you get in the box. Okay, you get the reMarkable tablet. You get the thank you, this one, important information in all the different languages, and the quick start guide, which is here, showing you how to do the basics, how to set up your device, grab your reMarkable and a smartphone, turn on, oh, we won't get into that, but they're the basics, so you can see those. And you can take a screenshot if you want. There's the back of that one. I don't think you need a screenshot of that. And this is congratulations on your new reMarkable. That's that one. I'm wondering if I gave you a screenshot that would actually work. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Okay, here's the baby. Let's have a look. Oh. Okay, it's time. It's time to take her out. There she is. The texture is amazing, amazing, amazing. We designed reMarkable to not get in your brain's way, to help you think. So let me just show you. Look at that. Look how thin it is. It is just adorable. I'll press that in a minute. Let's just go. Because if you haven't got one, it's nice to see all of it, isn't it? That's the bottom with, of course, this is where, let's just gently hold it there. That is where, oh no, press the button pressed. Okay, here we go. reMarkable 2 is starting. There she is. The all familiar, I'm going to put this underneath because I always have a case. So look at that. And when we come to reMarkable, it walks through several screens. Let's just do it together. Welcome to reMarkable. Express yourself. Okay. Continue. The screen is unique. The canvas display creates a true paper experience every now and then. Your display will refresh itself. Give it a try and see for yourself. Refresh. Yeah, that's what it is. Start setup. Now, all of this, I'm going to go through and do all of this myself. Okay, so I won't do that now with you guys, but I'll tell you what, I'll connect to the Wi-Fi and then I'll come back and we'll carry on. How's that? Okay, so now I have connected to the Wi-Fi. For the best experience, please update to the latest version of the software, because obviously these tablets have their software installed, then they are kept in their product warehouse, okay? So it's only when we turn them on and connect them back to Wi-Fi that we can update the software. So who knows what version is on this. I am going to update and restart. So it's now downloading the latest version. Now I have on, let's have a look. Oh, sorry, it's on sleep 3.5.2. I'm pretty sure I've got a different version to that. Yeah, because I'm in the beta program. I'm actually running 3.6.0.1845, but that's because I'm in the beta version at the moment. So we'll just let that update. This device hasn't signed up for beta yet, but I will do on this device. Let us see. I think Editing Martine will fast forward this for you. Okay, so just speeding up the downloading version, and then it's going to install that version into reMarkable. Probably takes about a minute. Then it's going to restart, I beg your pardon. And of course, you know, you can replace all of those sleep screens. We also have a custom made, we can do that for you, make something of your liking over in the Etsy shop. But you can put whatever you want in that space, and there you go. Pair with reMarkable Cloud. The cloud service lets you sync files between your paper, tablet, mobile and desktop, back up your work, send files by email, convert handwritten notes into typed text, and integrate with Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive. So I am going to pair, now if I pair my device, let's just see. Yeah, I've got to go online, create a folder and pair my device like that. So I will do that and I'll come back. So I just wanted to show you that as I'm going to pair my device, I've logged into my reMarkable with the account email on this machine here. And what the options that it gives me, is it says that under tablet that it's already active. You see that? Which means that I have to unpair that device, this device here. I have to unpair this device so that I can pair this device. So I'm going to do that and I'll come back to you. Okay, so I've got my reMarkable, my.remarkable.com sorted out, and now I log in online and I want to pair my device. You see that? But I can do it here, but I wanted to also show you I can do it here. I go to reMarkable apps, and then you have 4 options across the top. I can connect tablet, desktop app, mobile app, read on reMarkable. I want to connect this tablet. All right. So the way we do it is we click on pair device. It gives me a verification code, and now I've got to put it in here. Let me put that there so you can see, VW, YVW, MLA, CQ, all part of the unboxing experience. Right, now we're going to press enter, and when it's working well, it does it quite quickly. So let's see what happens. There it is, success. Your device is now paired with a reMarkable account. Next, download the mobile app. So now it's asking, it's saying I can download the app. So you can see I already got reMarkable, but on here, this, doesn't work with that, of course. This account is attached to my first reMarkable. I am going to be switching over to this one, and so I will be decluttering and doing all the things on this machine. So I will start using that one. There we go. I hope that was helpful in terms of that. My language will always be, well, let's just say I'm English. So let's just go with that. Select a language, press next. I am right-handed, press next. I'm good to go, get started. And then I have another video showing you all about the tutorials. I'm going to skip them for now, and then we set up our filing structure as we've chatted in other videos too. You can go ahead and have a look at that. I'm also about to create a video on client setup. If you can see here, client setup. I'm about to do this. So this will actually talk about how you can set up your filing structure for yourself. So watch out for that video if that's of interest to you. But that is the unboxing of this beautiful machine. I absolutely love it. I am going to do a review on using the reMarkable for anyone who's interested in that. It's an incredible piece of kit. And if you do like, you know, writing, typing on a dedicated device, like it's amazing. It's got all of its quirks like every device has, and it's just good to get to know and learn those so you know what it can and can't do. But I love it. Thank you, reMarkable. Thank you for getting it here within a week as well. Very nice. Okay, lots of love on the channel would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much.